Big up Crosses TV.
Crosses TV.
Buckle up, you that bitch guy yourself now, man. Fuck me, yo. Suck your mother, man. Come on, put them bum buckle like everybody, man. But I don't want to see your ugly face. Pussy, you think you're cute? Ugly batty boy. You can't see the sin in her face. Oh, this ugly faggot. She should have never bring her mouth to me and make some little dirty people and come and bring her mouth to me. She come talk about, me should have cussed. You're gonna suck your mother with your batty man blood clot miserable. So if you want to come video, come bring your batty miserable. Go batty boy and go. And don't come on the people them like pussy. Fuck you, people them like pussy. Can't stand the look of bitch. I'm sorry, say bleach couldn't get rid of the blood clot because sometimes when I have some look of pesticides, some look of viruses, some look of germs, bleach will clean them up. Suck your mother, man. Fuck you do over the woman life, pussy. Nobody want to see your face. Nobody want to hear your mouth, pussy. The fuck are ugly too? With that big, ugly, nasty cane roll, something them not with that big sauce. Okay, I know the pussy stink. Fuck, man. Shit piss me. I'm gonna tell this, man. I'm gonna tell you what you can see. Me not share my parents. Me not share my friendship, them. So I'm gonna take our friendship serious. I'm gonna take our friendship serious. I'm gonna take my relationship. I'm gonna take my relationship serious. If I realize my pattern over the years and comes on to my relationship, I'm crazy for my man. When I come for my friendship, I don't share friends. I don't expect who I take as my friend. I'm lying to a friend, my enemy. So once your friend, my enemy, and you cancel that, I'm done with you. I talk big pussy Keke. So I don't like them people that say, you know, I fuck with Angel and I like Angel. Angel them are good people and you know I like Kenneth and them people there. So, you know, since you got dirty girl, but people are like, brother, like, oh you reach over the people. This is what, oh you reach over the people that bumbuckler like. Get the people that want co-ops, the people that want chat. Bitch, you going away? Bitch, you go to bumbuckler, Angel or Kenneth, them and them people that reach over the people. Go suck your mother, man. You don't go on over your bumbuckler with them dirty pussy people. Them go itch up with your careless friend, them and your careless, some of your careless father, because I don't know careless. We go up to the real people, them and stuff. Go over your careless with them, go bumbuckler chat, bitch. And reach over the people, them go suck your mother, Keke and go. Fuck, man. I say I'm upset. Become the man a bumbuckler like what you fuck like. This is a dead dog. It's a dead dog. She come in. I just piss on my whole bumbuckler and have her 6 stomach self. Fuck you, not gonna hide your face, bitch. Sure. Every bumbuckler where this look of germs want blood clot. This look of germs. But now worry yourself, pussy. Me have the Clorox here, nasty blood clot. You're pussy. Fuck you, suck your mother. Fuck you do over the bumbuckler Angel life. Go suck your mother, man. Suck your mother. Cause I know the girl not, I know. If the girl them really got, the girl not invite you cause you're garbage. We get invitation and not take invitation. Only nobody not give you the invitation. Nobody not ask you for come now with them cause you're garbage. See that? She said real that what invited her pussy. Nobody don't like you, bitch. Fuck her with your little dead dog, little faggot. I mean, I don't response because none of them carry and put me at them look how bad for my mouth. I'm bad with my hand them. Take a suck on the mother if you ramp with me. Because guess what? You don't fuck with me really, so if you ramp with me, I rip up on the blood clot. Yeah, I not rip up my loyal girl them, you know my loyal girl them, I not cuss them like. You don't know when they say big up on yourself. Crosses TV, big up your blood clot self. Right there, so nasty woman. Go man, pussy. You stand for no blood clot, woman. Go. You only stand for woman because you realize that the woman them like to hear them something there. Once you say that, them are gonna say that cash out. Go. Me not gonna tell them what they want to hear so them can't give it nothing. I'm gonna tell them the blood clot truth. I'm telling the bumper clot this. You think say if I wait to wait for me if I tell them one want to hear if you don't like me and fuck with me. You not gonna hear it, I'm gonna tell them the truth. Cause the truth shall set me and you blood clot free. And some of you don't like the truth. So they're not gonna like me. And me alright with that. That's why I'm telling you, so them can't blood clot treat me. I want you to come with our 100% made in China army. Them could have never play with me. Because I will talk some bumbuckler things and draft your scripture for the nasty vampire body blood clot to say, play with me. Suck your mother. And stop couple people them bumbuckler and go hide yourself, pussy. You have appearance, bitch. You have appearance, bitch. Somebody invite you now, I go suck your mother and a girl now sit down with your bitch. You realize that when me I was friend, I realized you start move fake. Every time you ask me for come around you, I not come around you. From the start, see you move fake. The time you ask me for go to the go eat, I tell you say no, I'm not interested. Rather go sit down with blood clot, but who and bomber clot. I rather go sit down with O'Neal. At that time, before me I sit down with you, bitch. Cause suck your mother after me and a friend like that, bitch. Me and no bitch can't eat and me and no bitch can't sit on a table and eat and lick no wine glass, bitch, when your friend my enemy. Cause suck your mother. Bitch, you're gonna poison me. Look up, bitch. And then I'm telling people for watch you. I'm gonna tell people this and I mean, we feel like say, if for watch you, look up batty boy or look up evil faggot. Can't stay there. She can't put me. She can't put me because I slice out her heart and drink her blood. If she can't put me, she can't put me. I'm mad. Because me fuck up Keke in a real life. She can't put me. I'm a bad. They're nasty. Say, no girl will smell like poop. No girl will use poop for them perfume. Can't talk to me. Because suck your mother. They put on bumbuck like this. They put on woman. Suck your mother, man. I'm going to hide yourself, bitch. Nobody. None of your friends them from Mimi to Jeremy to Strawberry, to the whole of them. You know them people that talking to all them people. All of these people know you are nasty, fake bitch. So when them hear me I talk about my mouth, them supposed to do say that fuck you, I talk suck your mother, you can't play with me, bitch. And come on for the woman life with your dirty self. Bumbuckler. You know man, I lick out from Bumbuckler and fake people and dirty people. You are the biggest fakest bitch for Instagram, bitch up on the bottom of the woman life. Go man pussy. Not like cool man, if you go hide yourself, batty boy, faggot. Fuck you, they're not going back to Jamaica to your dirty mama. Batty boy, you think I like you, pussy? Think I like you, suck your mother, man. Because you not hot girl, nothing about you. Because I only can talk about a blood clot, cupboard, and food, and fish. Because you're not a dead dog, you're a mongrel. So you don't like food. I don't think about food, I think about suck your mother. Blood clot, come here, come and play like you're at. Come on, man, bumbo clot, like come and chat off your mouth. Bitch, as much as all the people, man, mystery lady. As much as all the people, man, mystery lady are class. You, Keke, cannot class mystery lady. And I'm sorry, as much as all, she can't chat to Kenneth, she can't chat to Olive, she can't chat to Angel, I chat to Macy. She can't chat to you, Keke. Cause you're the bottom, mystery lady matter girl for you, Keke. So don't stop going like say you're a hot girl. Bitch, you're not even going nowhere. You're nasty, say you're blood clot. You're your blood clot. Nokia 7, bumbo clot, kind of picture them. Show that ugly blood clot photo them, or she take that ugly picture, that ugly 7, that ugly face, that ugly body, and that ugly skin. Dirty girl. Suck your mother. Pussy. You can't play with me. You can't play with me. You're not nobody. You're not nobody. You're a pup. You're a pup. You come out of people back here, you stink. You come out of people back here, you stink. Go dirty girl. And stop playing me. Can't put me come over the people and blood clot life and go dead. Dirty woman. Go hide yourself. Creature. Go hide your blood clot self. Let's see a dirty girl when I like when them big pussy Keke. I can't stand the bitch. You come over there and put them blood clot that are dirty self. Nobody want to see if nobody like you. Nobody want to see if you say you're dirty. Show me your friends. Yeah, all your friends them look the same. Tacky. And blood clot sick. Suck your mother and go. You realize say all of the hot girl and the girl will do something with them life and actually exceed them goal. You have a problem with them? You realize that everybody who want better out of life are trying to uplift themselves, are trying to have assets, or have a lot of things in life before them get all you hate them. Nobody no want to sell pussy like you and depend on the blood clot, cash up, or put up no wish list. And when them do put it up, when have problem, when it's not cuss people and a class, cause suck your mother. Thanks, and I can't wait for the merch to come in. I just want to say thanks and I can't wait. Thank you, Akila, baby. It's coming. Made it even they put it for express shipping for you. So you're supposed you will get it in the same time when my mother get hers, you're gonna get it. Cause my mother ordered some stuff last night too. She ordered for her and the girls at her workplace. Watch that. Look there. My mother got sorry to go at her workplace and tell the girls in my work, say, you know that my son releasing music and I'm listening to my music and them I say him have merch and some. And the people them support me, wanna buy coffee cup, buy the little straw thing them, and the little straw thing them carry go work, then buy them little tea cup, little mug them, wanna buy sweater and so. I'ma look on it. Strangers will support me. And people not really like companions are really in an argument with me, them support me. And I come blood clot, I'm gonna suck on the mother. Anybody rap with me, think me carry up with my bad, my blood clot bad and my mouth bad. Carry up with none of the rap with me, my wet up on a nutty blood clot. Yeah? We don't poop smelly blood class. Them shitty willy nasty girl. Cause suck your mother and come up for the people like pussy. Come and bumbuck like Angel have come enough up yourself their ugly self. Ugly girl. So good girl. I don't like the people them. And trust me, you're not the people's. Compared to there, you are not their favorite. Them only have you over there. Because I guess everybody are cuss and them think you're breed about. Let me tell you something. On a regular day, these people will not hang out with you and fuck with you on a regular day. Because the kind of people that there is and what them like, you are the opposite of it. And I can tell you that. Yeah, them fuck with me. If you realize me, everybody know me still. Me's a true. There's a difference between me. Real people are gonna fuck with me. Fake people not gonna fuck with me. And the same thing what Kenneth said to me last night. It's like how me, him real. Him fuck with me, but the fake people, them are fake, and them like them not gonna fuck with me. So I'm for pick and choose the real people, them I'm for stick to. Cause what part time I have people that on my life and I watch them, and them know me and say a facts, but people don't like fear the truth. Always have a problem, me go suck on them and none of only can beat me up. And that's the difference between me. Me a follower, me no leader. Me no need no girl for tell me no, and nobody for tell me nothing. Me run my own show and set my own rule and do my own thing. And if I want blood clot girl I follow back at me, I still a lead. Me no follow back a girl, I don't need girl blood clot authorization for them. Suck on your mother. I come talk like you're a good blood clot friend to Bussi. You're a good friend to Bussi, go suck your mother. All reason why your friend Bussi dirty girl. And because you know, so in case if nothing I go on Instagram, you can friend Bussi and get a plate of food from her. I don't need to do that. I'm going to tell you the truth as a friend. And just the same as when me and Bussi attack me and I fall out. Not because I know money or a cash up or anything. Me and I fall out because Galaxy Glamour said she was talking shit about me. And me never did take nothing from her. I nothing like that. I never asked her for anything. So I said, oh, she ever talk about me. I never asked her. So I started class. When we came up here, we had our discussion. When we come up here, I have my discussion and I talked about it. And me and her made up. We come to an understanding and Bussi explained to me. I said that me and her go to squash the beef. We don't have no problem. We cool. We don't never go back there where me gonna feel like I want to disrespect her. I have a problem with her. I don't have a problem with Bussi or we don't have any problems because we squash the beef. We explain to each other what happened and what happened to each other. I understand it. But it's like a faggot. It's like a nasty faggot. She's a fake bitch. She will friend people for what them can get. She will friend people for the food. She will friend them for the cash up or friend them for the things. She ain't no body. A dirty batty man, them wicked, them hard evil. Me no batty man, you know. And on so weird that you don't look on the picture. A girl we a boy. First she's a boy, then she's a girl. She met Batman fuck her in her pussy, but yet still she don't like Batman. She's gay for pay. Bitches, I look a faggot. You're not gay for pay, you're a faggot. You're a faggot. That's what the fuck you are. You're a F-A-G-G-O-T. Go suck your mother. Anyone who have a problem with say something I'm get for this up on a blood clot. Cause I'm tired of someone who like I'm defense, I'm look a batty boy. We don't forget defense. I want to say nothing I'm comment to say. I want to own right. I wish a bitch would. What I said I do, I wish a bitch would. Say something in the comments or defend her on my page. Cause we have got to keep that right on fear account right when anybody else do them live. Alright, cause only can come up there come right now fuck. Unless if I no fuck soon you talk and I say, yo, you know say Rayante and you should have been done that. If we not talk fucks or speak like an adult fear without splitting justice, then go suck on the mother. If we not come over like no one take side, I wish you know would so me can get for this up on a blood club. But if we not talk fear and splitting justice and speaking as an adult, fine, you have all right to write. The platform belongs to all of you. Everybody's free to say what them say. But let me tell you, if you feel like you can come for me, come here and talk out of my mouth, now I'll come back for honor too. And I'll stand up on the blood clot neck. Huh? Fuck. Cause everybody different. Me different. Me mad. Me can't be the nicest boy. Me get mad. Me mad. Fuck do no. You come play with bumbuckler. Me go suck on the mother. Some fake people forget call out. I look a fake girl. Suck on the mother. Just the same. When me there lick out pan German. Everybody have a problem when me say lick out pan German. I get me see your German still. Me there lick out pan bumbuckler. Few other people been a lick out pan. And guess how me there lick out pan them. Everybody be like, oh, He always want to argue with people, always have a problem with people. And so send and so pass done. The same people there leak out pan, it come to realize that them people are dirty people. I mean, I tell you now, Keke is the most fakest bitch to own up and the most nastiest, nasty motherfucker. This shit that bitch are loyal to none of that bitch. If that bitch is loyal to her own, but she will loyal to herself. You think her own she loyal to bitch? She gonna tell you one for you because she hungry and she want things. Me not have to tell you one want for blood clot ear because on the ear not there for blood clot me just like someone on I just like for chat up to someone on. You understand? Yeah. So I'm not offended. Hi. I know a mistake, man. Trudy, they press the phone too hard, man. To blood clot. Come like you send that request.